show you how to download and install Autodesk Revit and Autodesk Navisworks Manage. Come to the tab Products. Instead of searching the products over here, you need to come to Educational Access. Once you are on this page, if you're a student, just click the Student tab. And then scroll down a little bit. For all students, should get a 1-year free subscription, and that can be renewed. Select product. Since we are going to install Revit, so you're going to click select over here. And then as a student, you will just select here, select, and just continue. So just following the steps, the prompt, and filling your email address, and then agree, click. Then after that, you need to following the fill out the remaining steps regarding your educational institution, educational verification. Once that is done, you just submit, and then you should be able to download this piece of software. Again, in terms of version of this software, I ask you guys to download Revit 2024. Don't use that 2025. And another piece of software you need to install from Autodesk is Navisworks Manage. Again, go to the same thing, select product, that will be Navisworks. You can search Navisworks Manage right up here. The same thing, select student, and then continue. Fill in your email address, okstate.edu email address. Then you should be able to create an account and fill in the remaining information. Since I'm not a student, I'm not able to fill the other information to demonstrate to you guys how to fill that out. So once that is done, also select the version Manage 2024. So that is it. I hope you guys have a successful installation.